me, the river is a living thing.
It brings water and nutrients, everything that plants and wildlife and humans need.
There's a lot more to having a healthy flowing river than having drinking water. We have a lifetime of important yet tedious work in monitoring and long-term maintenance.
Become educated about these nuances along the rivers, like what is a non-native species, what are the impacts that non-natives have. RiversEdge West help us get out there, make management plans, look at the system as it is, and provide funding for people that are on the ground actually removing the non-native species.
It's really important to support these organizations that are doing this river restoration because, you know, it's the water that comes out of your tap. It's the water that is used to grow food.
If we have healthy rivers, we have healthy communities, and we have healthy families.
As we restore these watersheds, we get closer and closer to that fantastic wild place that everybody wants to see out here in the desert.